5 o'clock on a Wednesday, a great chance to look at the radar and just go through some things so you understand what you're looking at. So we've had potential severe thunderstorms in some of these areas already today, and you get in Clackamas County moving up toward the Cascades, potential of high winds and some hail. So what are you looking at? Notice everything's moving from south to north, right? So you want to look to the southern sky to see what's coming at you. We see more green color than anything often, and that's kind of light to moderate rain. The darker the green shading, the more moderate the rain rate is. And then when you get to yellow, now it's starting to be coming down pretty good. And then whenever you see these kind of orange to red dots, now you've got potentially something that you need to keep track of. So technically all the red really means is the radar is hitting a lot of objects with some size to them and bouncing back. So at the very least, you've got some heavy rainfall. And often, when you get the red, there's also some ice chunks that the radar is hitting, so that's hail. The radar itself does not indicate lightning, but when thunderstorms are in the forecast and you see these orange and red areas, not always, but typically those spots would be the best bet to actually be producing some lightning. So it's kind of a clue that might be what you're looking at. So spotty, heavy showers. We have seen lightning strikes around the area already today. So we'll be watching this. You wouldn't expect this to really fizzle out until the sun goes down at, 9 o'clock or so tonight. Let's see what the, let me show you the satellite imagery real quick. Let's see if it shows you. Whoa, come back. Here's the visible picture. So kind of interesting. See all the little speckled areas? Those are cumulus clouds. And then also what's kind of interesting to me, see where, like all of this in here, it's kind of wispy. There's not much dimension. Remember, this was all solid rain on the radar between, Eugene and Corvallis. Again, it's kind of wispy. This could be a sign that the cumulus clouds are built so high that the winds are kind of shearing off the tops of them, and it gives you this kind of wispy, no defined look. Notice sunshine up and down much of the coast, by the way. That's a visible picture. Ours is a great clue as to what's going on. Anyway, all right, let's get you to the updated forecast, if we may. Let's get to it. Here we go. So, watch out for thunderstorms, maybe some high winds and some hail through, 9 o'clock or so tonight. Tomorrow, heavy showers. Could be some scattered showers in the morning and the afternoon. Heavy downpours around, some hail. But I think the chance of thunder tomorrow, because the flow pattern changes a little bit, the chance of actual thunder and lightning is really slight. Possible, but slight. By Friday, I think it's just typical garden variety scattered showers. I think Saturday's still a drier day with a shower or two at least possible around. And we are now entering a pattern where, notice from Sunday all the way through Wednesday, I've just gone ahead and thrown in the chance for a scattered shower. But realize any of these days have the potential to be mainly dry with partly cloudy skies and very comfortable temperatures continuing in the 70s. And I have added July 4th's forecast down here, partly cloudy, same pattern, 70s, and the chance for a scattered thunder shower. One last tool. I realize I'm really going long, but here's the live camera network. So the coast was expected to be kind of the dry bullseye today. A lot of sunshine there. Stormy, wet at the Welch's, the Mount Hood, Oregon resort. Then kind of a mix of clouds at the Willamette Valley, Gresham. Well, that's some good color clouds. The Camas Meadows camera is out. Need to get that fixed. And but again, a good indicator where you can look for some skies on my live resort network cameras. I will shut up. I enjoyed chatting with you. I'm going to take a 4-day weekend, so I'll talk to you next week.